आपके बिजनेस का बिगेस्ट कस्टमर हो सकता है कि आपके बिजनेस का सबसे एक्सपेंसिव कस्टमर हो। आई नो दिस साउंड्स रॉन्ग। आफ्टर ऑल, बिग कस्टमर मीन्स बिग बिलिंग, big turnover, big reputation, right? But here is the question. Most founder never calculate, is that customer actually giving you profit and cash, or you quietly funding his business from your own pocket? Stay till the end because I will give you a simple 5-point कस्टमर कैश टेस्ट। इस टेस्ट के बाद ना आप अपने लार्जेस्ट कस्टमर को कंप्लीटली डिफरेंटली देखेंगे। हेलो, आई एम जगमोहन सिंह, द कैश फ्लो सरदार। फॉर मोर देन 25 years, I have seen business owners proudly show me their largest customer, and many times after looking at the numbers, I have to tell them something which is very uncomfortable. आपका बिगेस्ट कस्टमर आपको रिच नहीं बना रहा, वो आपका कैश कंज्यूम कर रहा है। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन विद अ सिंपल एग्जांपल। सपोज कस्टमर ए गिव्स यू 10 lakh business every month. He pays in 15 days. He accepts your standard product. There are few returns also. There is a limited follow-up. Your team does not need to create special inventory for him. Now, customer B gives you 25 lakh business every month. Naturally, everyone in the company call customer B as the star customer. But customer B asks for 8% discount. Payment comes after 120 days. He wants customized packaging. He changes forecast. He returns material. Your senior team spend hours and hours in managing that star client. And because his order is large, you keep extra stock ready for him only. Now tell me, who is the better customer? You cannot answer this question by looking at the revenue alone. Write this formula down. Customer revenue minus product cost minus discount minus return minus service cost minus cost of delay minus blocked inventory equals real customer contribution. Most companies calculate the first two numbers only, revenue and product cost. Cash rich companies calculate the complete calculation. Let's focus on one hidden number, the cost of waiting. Customer B gives you rupees 25 lakhs order but pay after 120 days. During those 120 days, who pays for the raw material? You do. Who pays the salary? You do. Who pays the GST, logistics, electricity, interest? You do. So technically, you are not only supplying to customer B but also actually financing customer B. And if you are using an overdraft or loan to fund that waiting period, the cost become even higher. Many founder knows this customer is hurting cash flow, but still they do not want to change. They even don't want to change the terms with that big name. Why? Because that is a big name. The logo looks good in company profile. The order looks good in the order book and meetings. The turnover looks very good in front of the market. But prestige only cannot pay salaries, na? A famous customer with poor commercial discipline can be more dangerous than a smaller customer who pays on time. So here is the 5-point test which I promised to you. Give your largest customer a score out of 10 on each point. Number 1, payment speed. कितने दिन में एक्चुअली मनी जो है ना वो बैंक में आ जाती है. नंबर 2, रियल मार्जिन आफ्टर डिस्काउंट, रिटर्न एंड स्पेशल सर्विस. नंबर 3, इन्वेंट्री डिपेंडेंसी. हाउ मच स्टॉक इज ब्लॉक्ड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कस्टमर. And number 4, management attention. कितना फाउंडर और सीनियर टीम का टाइम कंज्यूम होता है इस कस्टमर के लिए। एंड नंबर 5, प्रेडिक्टिबिलिटी। डज द कस्टमर ऑनर्स द फोरकास्ट, quantities and payment commitment? Now, total the score of 50. A customer with the high billing but low cash score is not your strongest customer. He is your biggest concentration risk. This does not mean you should suddenly stop working with every slow paying customer. It means you should improve the commercial structure. Ask for an advance, reduce the credit period, link discount to the payment discipline, avoid carrying unlimited custom inventory, charge for special services that you are giving, pause, fresh credit when old invoice remain unpaid. A professional customer will respect the professional terms. And if a customer only stays because you fund him endlessly, then you need to ask whether that relationship is actually good for business or not. Remember this, a big customer increases turnover, but a great customer gives you margin, predictable payment and healthy cash flow. Never measure a customer only by how much he buys. Measure him by how much financial strength he leaves inside your business. Now, do this honestly. Score your largest customer out of 50 using the 5-point test. Comment में customer का नाम मत लिखना, just score बताना. Or if this video changed how you look at your biggest client, share it with the one business owner who is proud of turnover but frustrated with collections. I'm Jagmohan Singh, the Cash Flow Sardar. Build customer that build your cash, not customer that only build your invoices.